What's up, my friends? So this is the product we're going to be reviewing today. Amodex Ink Stain Remover. It's supposed to be the ultimate companion. When I picked it up from the store, on the box it says it's supposed to remove Sharpie, grass, crayon, paint, oil, berries, wine, chocolate, tomato, blood stains, and much more. The only thing I'm interested though is testing it for its main claim, ink. I want to see if this truly is the ultimate ink stain remover. This formula is supposed to be just a highly concentrated soap formula, not a lot of chemicals, supposed to be pretty natural. So let's put it to the test. I've got two stains we're going to be working with. I made this stain a couple days ago with a regular ballpoint pen. And by the way, these are just regular polyester pants. That's the fabric, 100% polyester. And I've got a stain right here that is clearly made with permanent marker. And this has been here for years and years and even more years on top of that. First things first, shake it up really well. Let's work on this newer stain first. When you do this, you always want to make sure you put some kind of paper towel up underneath so that the Amodex and the stain doesn't bleed through onto the other side of the fabric. Or if you're going to put it like on the countertop and do it like this, put a paper towel up underneath so it doesn't bleed through onto the countertop. Kind of like that. So here's the other piece of the fabric right here. We got a paper towel and then we put this on top. The way we do this is we just apply our Amodex to the stain, and then we're going to use a brush, some kind of brush. This is just a regular old OXO brush right here, but you can use a cleaning toothbrush, and we can even use our fingernail. And what we're going to do is place the Amodex right there on the stain and use our brush to brush the formula down into and penetrate the stain. Whew, whew, a lot came out there, but it came out fast. Okay. Now let's take our brush and rub it into the stain, and this stuff is supposed to work like magic. Let's take a look here. As you can see, the ink is transferring to our paper towel here. It also says to keep applying this if you need to. So we're really brushing that in. I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to come back to this. Okay, 10 minutes is up, so I'm going to go ahead and scrub this in a little bit more. And then we're going to take it to the sink, rinse it out, see if our stain is still there. Alright, so we just rinsed it out with some water. I see a very light, ever so light black mark, stain mark still. So I'm going to give it one more try. We're going to go back over there. We're going to add a little bit more to it. Scrub it in. Maybe let it sit for another 5-10 minutes. Alright, back over at the lab. We still have a little bit of ink left. So I'm not that impressed with this product thus far. We're going to see though. We're going to try it out on our permanent marker stain and see how it's going to do. But I got to say, I don't have a lot of hope. Rainbow. Shake up. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave this sit here overnight. And then we're going to come back, try it again, rinse it out, and we're going to see if this actually works. Okay, so it has been 24 hours and our stain is still there, as you can see. So I'm going to put a little bit on there one more time. We're going to try it one last time. And as you can see, it's still there. So there you have it. In conclusion, I would say that this stuff really isn't an ink stain remover. I would more or less call it an ink stain fader. So looking at it on Amazon, as you can see, it's got a 3.5 star rating out of 5, about 400 some reviews, and you know, I can see why. If you look on there, people really seem to either love it or they hate it. But what about the clean with confidence scale? On a scale of do not buy, indifferent, or a yay yay, I'm gonna have to give this product a do not buy. I'm sorry guys, it wasn't more exciting and dramatic than that. In the words of the great Review Bra, my disappointment is immeasurable and my day is ruined.